Hi everybody, today I am here with the unboxing of the men's Loubishark Sneaker. So, let's take the ribbon off. One of the things I really like about Louboutin and their shoes is we always get little extra goodies. So in here, extra lace, and then extra spikes in the spec. Here is the Loubishark. So the Loubishark gets the name obviously from the sole of the shoe. So you can see the shark-like teeth shape. And then if I go to the bottom, you see the rough texture here and the little spikes, again evoking the shark tooth motif. A little bit cool, definitely different, which is what attracted me to the shoe to begin with. Coming to the shoe itself, we have a nice crepe satin feel on the leather. White laces, again, some jagged edges, also kind of evoking like shark fins, shark teeth sort of vibe. And Christian Louboutin Paris varsity logo. And the spikes that we got a couple of extras on are right here on the back, again in white. So this shoe, it comes in a few different colors. I chose the white one because I didn't really have anything else in white. There's also a black and some multicolored two-tone ones as well, where the white is on, I guess, the primary color, and kind of in this area here, and then this middle area of the shoe by the laces is in a different color. So you can check them out online and see the different versions available. So let me go and try these on. All right, so I am wearing the shoes. These are size 39.5. I have a Louboutin spike sock in size 40 and a few other Louboutins of different styles in size 40 to 41. I opted for a 39.5 in the Loubishark just because the size 40 felt like my heel as I was walking was coming up a little bit. So the spike sock is a little bit more form-fitting, more sock-like, whereas these are more traditional sneakers and there's a little bit more breathing room in there. So I believe that's the reason why I feel better in a 39.5. And these will also stretch with use as well. So even though it does feel slightly tight up here at the top of the foot, it's not bad. It's not like, you know, that tight patent leather feel. And I'm sure it will adjust with some time. So let me turn around in these. The other thing I want to highlight is on the bottom of the shoe. And I don't know if it came through really well earlier, but it actually does say Louboutin here on the sole. Harder to see because it's really rough with the shark teeth, but it is written down here on the bottom, just like all of the other recent Louboutin sneakers. So that is the Loubishark. So in the US, as of February 2022, the shoe retails for $945. Again, it does come in a variety of different colors, white, black, two-tone as well. And there is also a women's version, which is about $75 cheaper than the men's. Thanks for watching. As always, please feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and I'll see you next time.